Jeff.
Good morning. Thank you. Clarify for us where we are on inherent contempt. I know Anna Paulina Luna had indicated that there was another resolution that she was going to bring forward. Is that going to, in fact, happen tomorrow? And do you support it? We've heard different things. I know what you had indicated before the recess, when things were all on the table, you were looking at everything. She has indicated at least twice that you were for whatever this resolution is that she's going to bring forth and how that would work.
I'm for being as aggressive as possible with holding Merrick Garland accountable. It is a very important institutional concern that we have that a subpoena by the House must be complied with by the executive branch or anyone that a House issues a subpoena to. As you know, Merrick Garland refuses to turn over the audio tapes of the interview, the questioning that Special Counsel Robert Hur had with Joe Biden. We have the transcript, but we have a responsibility to ensure that the audio matches the transcript. Now, everybody in America knows. We all know why they don't want to turn over the audio, because it will obviously, presumably, show exactly what we all saw on that debate stage a couple of weeks ago, or Thursday last, and that's something that they've been wanting to cover up. So they're going to great lengths to exert executive privilege, which has no... Here's a question everybody needs to ask. How can the executive branch, how can the Attorney General, who works under the executive branch, exert executive privilege over something that is not in his purview? This is the special counsel outside of that. By definition, it's supposed to be a separate and independent decision maker. They don't get to exert executive privilege over something that is not theirs. So the whole thing, I think, will easily be defeated in court, and that's why we brought a lawsuit in federal court last Monday to enforce our subpoena. So we're being as aggressive as possible. I've talked with Anna Paulina Luna and other colleagues about her inherent contempt motion, and she may well bring it. If it's
support what she's going to bring forward?
Look,
you say you're going to be as aggressive.
If it's brought to the floor, I'll vote for it. But as a constitutional law litigator, a former constitutional law litigator, my preference is to follow the legal process and legal proceedings that protect the institution. I'm frankly have a little pause about presenting an Article I authority question to the Article III branch, to the federal judiciary, to ask the judicial branch whether they believe we have the right to enforce a subpoena in this unconventional way. I'd rather do it in the way that we've done in our present litigation, but we'll let the chips fall where they may. Every member has a right to bring a privilege motion like that, and Anna's very committed to the principle, and I am too. We all are. I think every Republican is. And so we'll see what happens with that. So, yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So since Congressman Roy's right there,